I want that big dick fucking damage.
In his mouth.
Wow. Wow, Zell. Wow.
Courtesy of Lord Walker, no.
Oh!
I just want to make sure I had that recorded.
Zell's pulling it for straws now.
Lord Walker, no, ladies and gentlemen, coming to a back alley near you.
Alright, focus.
Move him out, please, Pope.
Bombs left.
Haha, take that, Edsel. My shield just crit for 40k.
You're worse than Tarnite.
Move.
Dude, don't lull your tank into a false sense of security of thinking he has a real shield.
Tell you that much.
Bombs
Right
left,
side
get
is
ready.
actually dead, so
We've got bombs open on the left. Engineer on the left repairing. Bellows on the left.
Repaired? It's being repaired?
Repair it, guys.
45 seconds. Skip
we
shutdown.
have. We need to put two more, so drop one more actually on the left, please. Okay, no more, please. Okay, everyone on the right side, start moving to the left. Everyone on the right side, start moving to the left, please. Everyone.
Engineer on the left repairing.
You want me to blow it or no?
Go ahead, blow it. I've taunted the bellows. Shield wall last stand for Marcus. Nuke the bellows, guys, but cleave. Nuke that bellow. Good job.
Move him out.
Legend is fixated. Let me know when you want me to move.
Okay, start moving towards whoever has a slag, please.
Get these engineers. Need any more bombs as we need.
Okay, get the slag.
Let's bring...
No more range DPS on the slag.
Bombs. Watch for the bombs. Get that slag closer. Get that slag closer.
Slag is fine.
It's fine.
Oh, it's fine.
Okay, go.
Okay, prime on
Move
was
out for slag bomb. Don't take any
Cool
more damage
downs.
than is needed.
hot.
Cool.
Get some ads grouped up with them to cleave. If there is any.
There's
We
no
don't have
ads
any
up.
ads.
Never mind.
Great job.
We want it this time.
We need like more damage on this guy. More.
He's
8
going.
seconds, guys. Push it.
We should go. Don't TOD, please. Don't TOD.
I start getting this fire collar and guard down.
Fire colors marked. Never mind, there's two up. Get the low health one first, sorry.
Can someone move the slag over, please?
Sarati.
I'm over here, it just needs to be interrupted.
It's right here. Just kill this.
Get the slag.
Okay, it's coming. We're gonna do it in two,
Primal,
so just make
go.
sure it gets under 50.
Alright, nuke primal. Watch the
Just
fire
keep this
collar.
primal. Keep this slag here. That's me, so I will keep it here.
Just don't cleave it too much. I'm looking at someone's chain lightninging. Please. Don't cleave it too much.
Okay, cleave a little bit more. 6
Okay,
seconds.
kill the slag now. Kill the slag.
I'll camp the for dispel.
Interrupt that,
interrupt that.
Okay, finish it.
Okay, move over to the side and melee kill these fire collars.
Range, help me dot up these security guards.
Kill that low security guard quickly.
Good job, good job.
Saints fixated, I can go whenever.
One of you guys stay out.
Okay.
Please.
Get the slag now.
I'll stay out.
There's a security guard in ramp.
I got it.
Primal. Primal,
the
primal,
primal.
Vampiric's out.
Just, someone bring another one over.
Drinking?
I'm coming.
Just interrupt it and bring it over. Yeah, thank you.
It's over.
Good. This is actually a really good plan. Okay, cleave it now.
Oh, watch out. I got volatile fire. I'm moving out. Don't interrupt that thing.
Oh my god.
Get away from
Kill it,
Cyclone.
this. Kick it. Kick this open. Oh my god, we need one slag. Where is everyone going?
There's
We
one.
need a slag, please.
Somebody kite that
Coming.
slag over there.
Cyclone?
It's right here.
Yep.
Stay right there.
Okay,
Grab
switch,
it.
switch target. Switch target.
Drinking.
Cyclone, you have to be on it.
Three.
Cyclone, move to the other side.
One.
Get that primal down, guys. Gonna be a hard one.
We got it this time.
It healed actually, but whatever. It's fine. It's okay. It's right here.
Dispel.
Vampiric's out.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, someone move over to the other. Please.
Take the security guard.
Range, start making your way towards the back corner. Let's get some security guards.
Fox.
Zell move to the last one.
Or interrupt the one that's there, out there.
5, 4, 3,
Let's drop actually.
2,
It's dropping now.
1.
And stuff ready. Slag's gonna die.
Go, go,
Hero, go.
Hero. What healing cooldowns do we have for fourth phase?
I've got to get out.
Um,
2 minutes out on him.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Great job, y'all.
There's one more security guard left. We'll fire colors.
This is it, right here.
Kill axe, kill axe.
Fire call for
Alright,
Make sure
stack
you guys
up.
are in position, please.
Much better this time.
first.
Hope you got it
What
first.
is that?
For the security guard still. He still needs his ass down.
Get on the boss. I don't see another slug.
My healing tide is up.
Taunting.
Scoot up.
Yes.
I'm gonna kite.
Move. Don't get too far ahead. Range, stay with me. Stay with
Stack up range.
me. We're gonna stay
Everything
on the
you
edge
got,
of the mountain.
guys.
The back corner.
Someone have Shakota?
Got him.
Counting in 10.
Get
Yeah,
Pope
of
up,
course.
get Pope up, get Pope.
Okay, we gotta move a little bit. It's
Move,
back corner.
Stats out.
Guys, you gotta stay on me.
Take him Pope.
Come to this corner over. Drop one up here. Here to meet you.
No.
Alright, kite him.
Okay. Good. Keep by the door now.
Pope has
Drop
5
him by
stacks of that debuff, so we gotta watch out.
the door.
I'm gonna vid you Pope on your next stack.
Alright, scoot up.
Pope, you got
Girl.
vid.
Okay, good.
Pope, I'm taunting.
Watch it. Okay, go drop down by the edge of the circle.
I ditched you, okay?
Alright,
Healing tide.
Okay, move up before we get cut off.
I'm gonna kite.
Bright eyes, deter.
Okay, into the corner of the room. By the scaffolding.
I'm gonna rally. No. Rally.
I've got Vampiric for execute phase.
Got Vampiric now.
Need a CD.
I think
Alright.
he enraged, by the way.
Guardian Spirit Pope.
We're gonna go along the outside of the
Tag
room.
bomb.
Kite him back a little bit, Pope. Alright, taunting.
I'll have
Stay
Vamp
focused.
2%.
Okay, right in the corner. We're gonna move
Vamp's
out here
out.
quick. Okay,
Marcus
move
is
up,
out of
move up.
range.
Too,
Can't do
too
that.
long. Sorry.
Like a shield wall. Alright, you gotta
Amp
take
magic
about
out.
3 seconds.
Move up.
Pope.
Just be resin. Just be resin. Okay.
Do we have any cooldowns
Come on,
left?
give me that
Okay.
big dick
Switch sides.
damage!
Switch
Second one,
sides.
good
Yes.
4%!
Pain spread.
2%!
Yes! Yes!
Oh my god!
Boom!
Motherfucker, you dead!
Yes!
Fuck you!
Oh my god!
Good
We
job,
got it,
everyone.
guys!
Oh my god.
Fuck Blast Furnace.
Hell yeah, baby.
That seems so
Yes.
easy, by the way. That was so easy. Serati, I love
Oh my
you.
god. I got the legs! I got the legs!
I got the Blast Furnace door.
He called it too!
Oh my god. Let's take
That's
a
rough.
screeny. Let's do tier.
Oh,
Guys
good
that
to
are
do.
over on the other side, like add some female human. Go to the right. Go to the other side.
Get the fat panda away from
Female
me.
human. Excellent.
Alright.
You female human.
Screenshot in
Andrasti, you're not a person. Only a female human.
1.